Yep, a beautiful Buddha's Murti. And you must be knowing why this Balam Caves is very well known. Beautiful white structure, really, it's looking good. So I'm not gonna go there. Well, coming back, I'll see. I'll just try to visit it and take a photo. So yeah, let me just tell you about this place. Why it is very famous. So, Balam Caves. Okay, the names come from the Balam village, and earlierly, before 18th century, it was used as a dumping ground. The caves were used as a dumping ground by the locals. Local used to know this place, but some Gora in 1884 came to this place and discovered it. I discovered this place and all. We discovered it, and after that, some group of German scientists, explorer, explored this place very nicely, Balam Caves. क्योंकि हम इंडियंस को पता नहीं क्या हो जाता है, हम क्यों नहीं एक्सप्लोर कर पाते हैं। एलोरा में भी ऐसा ही देखा मैंने और अजंता में भी यही देखा। तो चलो जान दो, वो छोड़ो। तो एक्सप्लोर दिस एंड इन 2000 this place was open to public. There are formation of limestones and stalagmite stones in here. अगर जो स्टोन्स वाले लोग उनको समझ में आएगा जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, तो वो बहुत अच्छा फॉर्मेशन है यहाँ पे। और यहाँ पे कोटिलिंगेश्वर के बहुत सारे शिवलिंग ऐसे बने हैं जो लाइमस्टोन के कलेक्शन से बने हुए हैं अंदर चेम्बर्स में। म्यूजिकल चेम्बर भी है, एंड सब कुछ है। एंड वन थिंग दैट एक्साइट्स मी इज दिस थिंग, यू नो व्हाई ब्लोअर्स आर केप्ट हियर, कीप द व्हाट यू से the caves air flowing. Look at it. मैंने देखा है कि हमारे प्लांट वगैरह में भी होते हैं, ये मोनोलिथिक ब्लोअर है ना, ये हमेशा काम करते हैं, अंदर में जाता है और इससे ना हवा पास होती रहती है। तो इट्स ऑलवेज ऑन, इट्स गुड, साइंटिफिकली गुड। तो बेलम केव्स ये है द लार्जेस्ट केव इन इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट, सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट है में से। मेघालय में एक है, एक और केव, उससे ये सेकंड आता है। एंड 3.5 किलोमीटर फैला हुआ है, एक्सेसिबल ओनली 1.5 किलोमीटर तक है। तो लेट्स जस्ट गो एंड एक्सप्लोर दिस प्लेस मैन, क्योंकि बहुत दूर से आया हूँ इसके लिए मैं। ठीक है, छोटा सा पैसेज है रास्ता जाने का, सिंह दरवाज़ा बोला जाता है उसको, सिंह दरवाज़ा, क्योंकि उसका जो फॉर्मेशन है तो सिंह के रूप का जैसा है। ठीक है, यू मस्ट बी सेइंग हाउ आई नो दिस बिकॉज reading on the Wikipedia man. So you can see blowers there also, blowers are there. बहुत लंबे फैला हुआ है, 3.5-4 किलोमीटर में। So I don't know टिकट वगैरह कितना होगा। Let's see what we have man. तो अंदर जाना है, एक्सप्लोर करना है केव एंड निकल जाना वहाँ से। ठीक है, हैप्पी। So let's go man, because such caves are very rare. Okay, very rare. Like I usually go to caves mostly. अलोरा देखा हूँ मैंने, वो मोस्ट प्रोमिनेंट है, बट बोरा केव भी सुना बहुत अच्छा है, जो आपका है आंध्र प्रदेश अरक्कू वैली के पास। दैट्स आल्सो गुड, बट दिस वन इज समथिंग एल्स। सो लेट्स गो एंड डू इट। यहाँ पे कहते हैं जैन और बुद्धिस्ट मॉन्क्स ने बहुत सारे समय तक 2 सेंचुरीज तक मेडिटेशन किया है। और यहाँ पे ASI को, आर्कियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया को, कुछ ऐसी चीज़ मिली है जो प्री एक्सिस्ट करती है बुद्ध और जैन हिस्ट्री को भी। यू गेट मी व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग दिस, बिकॉज दिस इज सनातनी, तो पीपल मस्ट हैव बीन देयर प्री सनातन पीरियड। ओके, तो या इट्स गुड। तो अभी कुछ नहीं है, विल गो एंड एक्सप्लोर दिस प्लेस। I have told very less about it, but it has much to explore. So let's go, Balam Caves man. Always and always. Okay. I guess 70 rupees ticket है इसकी. Look at it. I don't know. Adult लिखा हुआ है 70, child लिखा है 50. So I don't know tickets and all लेना जरूरी है कि नहीं. But let's go. It's 70 rupees. So yep, Balam Caves. 70 रुपीज़ ज़्यादा हो गया ना। किड्स का 50 रुपये है। लाइक रियली इतना महंगा क्यों भाई? काहे इतना महंगा काहे ले रहे हो यार? पानी भर लेते हैं। ठीक है, भाई समझ में ही नहीं आता मेरे कभी कभी यार, इतना महंगा का है। 73 रुपये तो ठीक था यार, ठीक है समझते हैं कि 20 रुपये भी ठीक है, बट इतना यही दिक्कत है मालूम है। 50-60 रुपये रखते बढ़िया से चलते रहता, नहीं 70 रुपये रखने हैं। चलो मिलता हूँ। So yep, let's go to the entrance of this beautiful Pelam Caves. बस महंगा थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, बस बाकी कुछ नहीं है। And yeah, it is what it is man. 20 rupees। क्या डेवलपमेंट किए हैं यार, घास घूस उगा हुआ है और 70 रुपीज़ ले रहे हैं। चलो कोई नहीं, होते रहता है। यहाँ पे टिकट बहुत महंगी है भाई, कोई नहीं। चलो on from this also, but for the local people it's not advisable, like people coming from very long distance and doing this. So this is very beautiful Pelam Caves, and there's a small entrance from here. Okay, very small. So let's go. Let's go man. This is the Pelam Caves. I'll just show you from the outside and all. Look at it. ये वाला जो कड़प्पा है ना, यहाँ पे बहुत फेमस है। I can get everywhere. So this is the entrance of the cave. Beautiful entrance man. Ooh. Look at it. Celeb. I'm really amazed. Alright, first things. इधर भी एक एंट्रेंस दिख रहा है, इधर भी है, तो इधर ही चलते हैं। Hopefully they have allowed to carry a phone. Really, look at it. Sure. Yep, enter the cave from there like this. ऊपर आके दिखा दूँ क्या? ये ऊपर आके दिखा देता हूँ. So yeah, strong selection. So yep, there's a cave like this. Let's go. Okay. Look at it. Beautiful. Oh man. And yeah, people around here. I don't know, lights will be enough or not, but height is not enough. Beautiful. Beauty of this cave. पानी पड़ता हुआ यहाँ पे ना. Oh look. Beautiful. Let's go inside. People are here, local people. And let's see. Okay. Lights are everywhere, like you can see. But I don't know how much is visible on. This is a very long cave, okay? Like it's the entry here. That's the same darwaza. And as you can see from the entrance gate, historical facts will just tell you. The cave was formed natural millions of years, and the first declared of the city. This guy is a Britisher and this one is a German. This is 1986 and it's the government, as you can see. See, the meditation room, Thousand Hood, Maya Mandir, everything is there. I'll just explain everything to you. So, have a look at this one. It's beautiful. Ooh, okay. Now let's go inside and explore this beautiful cave, man. पर अंधेरे में रात में आने में तो फट जाएगी आदमी की. ओके, वाह मैन, अकेले में तो फट जाती हो किसी की भी सेफली. बट या आई एम नॉट वेरी मच केव पर्सन बिकॉज थोड़ा सा मेरे को क्लस्टरफोबिक लगता है. बट इट्स ओके. हैव अ लुक एट दिस. आई गेस ऑन द माय मेन कैमरा. सो या, look at this beautiful color grading. Yep. Oh, wow man, the first view of this beautiful caves, huh? Wow man, have a look. इसको बोलते हैं caves, है ना. Have a look at this back side, and yup, so this is the front side. Beautiful, beautiful. So दिस इज़ द सिंह दरवाज़ा. मतलब इसका जो चाहे मुंह है वो पूरा सिंह दरवाज़ा भी बोला जाता है. यू कैन सी द क्लॉज एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग, एंड आई दैट्स व्हाई आई नो अबाउट दिस दरवाज़ा इज बिकॉज वो देयर सिंह दरवाज़ा, सिंह दरवाज़ा, शेर दरवाज़ा. सो ब्यूटीफुल, huh? Yeah, it requires a photo, man, really. Let's take a photo and I'll come back to you. So look at this beauty. Same Darwaja, man. The place where monks of Jain and Buddhists used to meditate. Oh yeah, and yeah, the lightings are here. That's adding some shades to it. But this is all the limestone formation. I can say the stone is limestone. Basically, every stone in all the places in India, that is the Kotumsar in Chhattisgarh, is also in limestone formed cave, and in Meghalaya also there's one, and Gokarna also there's one. So I'll visit all those places in the future for sure. But for now, this place is looking lit. Literally, have a look. So yeah, this is more about this beautiful, and you can talk about it all day long. But have a look. This is the beautiful Simha Darwaza, the main entrance to the what do you say? Pelham Caves, huh? Now, Keechad and all formation is because water is constantly dripping from the top. You can see some sound. So be careful in this region because it's all muddy. Yeah. Let's go inside and slow mo. And yeah, a little bit. I can feel it alone. Yeah, that's the light. Why always be alone? I don't know. So yeah, beautiful. Here also. Wow, man, oh man. I don't know, some light shading here also it must be done because I don't know what kind of stone here. But caves are really, really well built here. I guess built by the local people in Andhra Pradesh government, this place. That's why it's looking super good. See, discovery is easy. Like you can discover, like with the local people, a Britisher named Forty discovered it. And look at the backside. Beautiful. But the maintenance and making it open for the public, it's hard. So it almost took a decade to explore, to open it for the public. I guess it was discovered in 1884 and made open to public in 2000. So it's very wrong. So have a look, man. It's an artificial made something like this. I don't know. Water pond, but you can see a beautiful area. So I don't know what is this. This is some kind, I don't know, but this is of some kind. So beautiful, man. Okay, hall or something it's called, because it's written here Chalapatti Reddy Hall. So let's just go inside and see it. I can't barely see anything really. So I know you people also, bear with me. We'll find something good. So there's this entry over here, and yeah, beautiful, man. It's all okay. Don't dim the light, man. Okay, so yep, this is some kind of thing, I guess. Let's just, yeah, you can see I've put on the switch on the camera light of mine, and yeah, it's all limestone built and quartz developed here. That's why you can see everything. Oh, come on, focus, man. Yeah, so beautiful. It's a hall. Okay. Really? Let's go. So beautiful hall, huh? I don't know why there's a feeling in me that some creature will come out from here and it will attack on me. But yeah, that's the game, man. That's mind's game of telling you not to go, and you go. There's a hall. Come to kind. Please let me take a photo. Moving out to explore this beautiful caves. Sorry, my camera angle must be. I'm not using a wide lens. I'm using the main lens of the camera, but so that I can show you the main beauty. So wide enough must be not be an option here. So CDs and everything are provided. And if you look at this, really beauty. So wow, these are all limestones for sure. Okay, I don't know if you can come out from here, but yeah, you can see it's all limestone. So better look, man. So let's go, man. Okay, let's go up and see more. Explore and explore and explore. That's what life is, to explore. Okay. Woo. Now the things become narrow from here. Like, it's all narrow. So let's go and see it. Like you see, main camera. See, it's becoming more narrow. So I hate narrow things really. Okay. So the design is not cut and all everything. It's all naturally formed, like more than 1,000 years. So you can come here and explore it. Things are becoming smaller and narrow passage of doors. Yeah, it's beauty. Look at it. Lights must be here, man. It's limestone. Lights must be there, yeah. Come on. So let's go, man. Everything is good, but lights are not there. And, yep. I told you, for breathing, air and all, everything is provided. And yeah, oh look. I don't know, something is written in Andhra, so I don't know to read it. But let's go and see what is that side. So caves are really majestic, I must say. I mean, have the line. Look at the lines over there. Really good. Really, very good. I don't know what is there now. So let me just go and explore it. Okay. Look at this. Just keep your eye on the floor, otherwise you will fall sometime. Okay, got it. I can't see any bats over here, so it's good. But there's the end to this beautiful limestone, huh? Yep. So it is what it is, man. So moving out. Beautiful cave. I'll take some photos and I'll meet you. We came from here and going to other side. I don't know what is written in Andhra. So इधर भी एक है, इधर भी एक है, पता नहीं किधर जाना है. चलो, वहाँ सीढ़ी जाती है, वहाँ हम जाएंगे. ओके, पता नहीं क्या लिखा है. There's also a passage from here, but don't think so. We can go. Okay, there's someone coming. चल पूछते हैं उनसे क्या है इधर. Okay. Oh man, this is really. क्या भैया अंदर उधर क्या है?
उधर उड़ला मारे है
हाँ
उड़ला मारे
उडला मारी क्या?
उड़ला मारे मंडपम
अच्छा मंडपम हाँ
कोई यूट्यूबर
नहीं नहीं ऐसी नॉर्मल चलो भाई देख लेते हैं एक बार मंडपम मंडपम ओके दिस लुक्स वेरी गुड I mean look at this good man Woo. Very nerve experience and have a look at this one man oh this is very short and very low grounded have a look man okay the roads are not very good slippery but yeah you can go there's a mandapam मतलब हॉल जिसे कहा जाता है पुरानी भाषा हमारे साउथ इंडियन भाषा में उसको मंडपम कहा जाता है yeah just explore man okay you just explore it क्या क्या चीज़ें देखने को मिलेगी लाइफ में महादेव की कृपा है ओह इट्स गुड taking the stairs okay fuck I will not go this side this is all andhera so not this side you can go this side for sure भाई इसको बंद कर देना चाहिए यार have a look mandapam man so yep okay Woo. It's very good I mean really very good rewarding really it's all rewarding have a look yeah I didn't हाँ सुंदर सा हो सकता है have a look at the wide angle man okay it's good this should not fall it's good really. Okay what's inside there some I don't know some cool right have a look at this okay something else man mandapam it's cool jai jai shiv shambhu har har mahadev yeah the lights are adding the dramatic feel to this it's good let me take just photos and we'll move out गर्मी काफ़ी है यहाँ पे for sure yep moving out from this beautiful mandapam over here beautiful really let's go oh, man this looks ancient really bhai oh bhai yep so yeah this is some kind of inside of it जो आगे का पार्ट है so you can go and see it but I don't think so it's a good idea क्योंकि यहाँ पे पूरा ना मट्टी मट्टी सा है क्या चिपक रहे हैं मेरे it's all abandoned I don't know why okay the excavation is ended here so, good let's go हम अगर इंडिया में ना चीज़ें एक्सप्लोर करें सिर्फ एक्सप्लोर ठीक है एंड डू इट वेरी नाइसली एंड इकोनॉमिकल वे आई गेस इंडिया ही ना इतनी सारी चीज़ें छुपा के बैठा है, क्योंकि आप अगर देखें तो जो रिलीजन वाइज देखा जाए तो बुद्धिज़्म, हिंदुज़्म एंड ओके many places of all sects come from here. So it's a very good place to explore. But हम अभी थर्ड वर्ल्ड कंट्री है एंड काइंड ऑफ थर्ड वर्ल्ड बोल सकते हैं, क्योंकि हम लोग उतना अभी तक डेवलपमेंट नहीं हो पाया. बट श्योर जितनी ज़्यादा डिफीट अच्छी रहती है ना, उतनी ज़्यादा खुश जीतने में मज़ा आता है. वो हमको पता चल गया वर्ल्ड कप जीतने से. ठीक है, सो यप मैन, लेट्स गो. So yep, exploring the other side of this Belem caves. अब देखिए कितना मलबा है जमा करके रखे हैं इसको साफ करके, so that people could walk. Appreciate the hard work. Really, good. But for me, पर पैसे बहुत खर्च हो गए मेरे. एक्चुअली 1000 रुपये तक चले गए. जब मैं घर से निकला था 1000 रुपये लेके निकला था. एंड यहाँ पे मेरे को ना टिकट्स वगैरह के बहुत लग गए. आने जाने के जितने लगे थे टिकट्स लग गए. हाँ ठीक है, मैनेज करते हैं, नॉट वरी. ओके, here in the Belem Caves. Enjoy the Belem Caves, man. Yeah. Look at the pathways, man. Really. Oh, spooky. There should be in some horror movies in Hollywood, really. I mean, have a look. It's looking dangerous. Look at this. Yep. I don't know my camera how much is justifying because I'm on the main lens. But yeah, अभी तो ये बंद है. एंड इधर भी है रास्ता. But have a look. It's all closed. Barricading and all, everything. So it's good. I don't know what's inside, but I think we should go and see it. Zoom भी निकलेगा अंदर से, देखा जाएगा. Okay. Oh fuck no. Yep. I didn't thought कि इतना अच्छा नज़ारा मिलेगा. Have a look. Oh. Beautiful. Belem Caves, man. It's showing something. Always. Have a look. क्या है इसमें? हाँ, बहुत छोटे छोटे सकरे रास्ते हैं. Yep. Have a look, man. Let me take a photo quick. Let's just explore. Okay. Ooh. Very good. Very good. The sound you can see is about that fans that is operating from the top. And yeah, it's scary. Fuck hell, it's scary, man. I don't know how grainy it must be looking, but now you can see. Yeah, it's rainy. Right. So, I mean, it's looking like something unimaginative. Yep. I'm sorry for my video cameras. हवा आ रही है। हाँ, एंड व्हाट इज दिस अबाउट हियर? बहुत सकरा सा रास्ता है, लाइक वेरी सकरा। लुक मैन, really man, it's so down deep. I mean, have a look. Going inside the very rare Pelham caves. I mean, really very, very rare. If you don't have any mobile with you now, you should keep it, otherwise you'll not get to see many things. I mean, have a look at this. Yep. Beauty. I am excited and equally terrified because really, look at it. It's a good cave, man. I don't know how much gets shoot, but rewards are amazing. Look at it. Something written in Telugu, sorry, Andhra, I don't know, and something here. Well, let's go and see it, man, what it is. इधर चलेंगे फिर उधर भी चलेंगे, ठीक है? Not worry. Sorry if my video camera is not good, so I'm very sorry. Look, really, it's amazing. Yep, I mean, wide angle. Good. भाई अंधेरा क्यों इतना? I mean, really, भाई बहुत अंधेरा है तो फट जा रही मेरी। अच्छा, लाइट चालू करनी पड़ेगी। हो ओ हो इश्क तेरा तर पावे। ओके भाई, ये तो अंधेरा है, क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं? एक तो व्यूज़ आते नहीं हैं, ऊपर से अंधेरे में जा रहा हूँ। कहीं से कोई एशियन सा जानवर मेरे पे हमला ना कर दे बस। आई मीन, फट रही है मेरी। हैव अ लुक, the roads are not very good, but there भी सब बंद सा है, so let's go inside, check it. पानी बजा रहा है। ओके, अंधेरा क्यों है यार, समझ में नहीं आता मुझे। इधर क्या कुछ तो भी है। let's go and see it. We have given money, so explore everything and whatever you can. छोटा सा गुफा था, इसको एंटर। There is a waterfall inside. Okay, man. I didn't thought I will come here. Have a look. Let's come inside and we'll go inside. Okay.